Here we have something of an unusual nature. It's a complete rig containing a Marina 1.3 engine and gearbox, complete with alternator, starter motor and cooling system. It was made, excuse the poor nature of this video, done on my iPhone. It was built by my late father-in-law to use as a charging mechanism for an electric saw bench that he invented. So there we have it. Marina engine, gearbox, alternator, distributor, all running. The battery is not included in the sale, but everything else is as it is seen. I put a battery in this morning, cleaned the points, cleaned the plugs, and turned the key, and off she went. So the fuel is on down here. The petrol tank. Turn the ignition on. Throttle is by means of a little lawnmower, a vintage lawnmower. The choke is here. Coolant. The engine's been running for about half an hour now, so it's quite hot. Runs really well, and this will be sold by auction on eBay unless I get a really good offer beforehand. If you're restoring an MG Midget, Austin Strike, Morris Minor, any of the old cars with an 8 Series engine, this is absolutely superb. Came out of my father-in-law's Marina, which he looked after and loved. I think he had only done about 60,000 miles, 50,000 maybe, and he scrapped it when he bought a Volvo. It's in really good order. As far as I know, the gearbox is absolutely perfect, but the shaft, the gear change shaft back here has seized in the housing. I've not freed it up yet, but as far as I know, the car was running beautifully when he scrapped it. Smoking, not blue smoking. I've run it to get it hot so that you can see that. So there you have it. Stop this dreadful noise. There you have it, super duper kit for restoring your classic. Thank you very much, bye bye.